touch you.
Careful, honey.
I think it's a sound about the drink. Because
Are you excited, Aria? Pegamento.
Oh, I think I have pegamento. About the drink.
There's a little on it, I think.
Yeah,
it
no,
looks
there's
like-
nothing on it.
Are you gonna jump? You're gonna laugh? Ooh, careful. Oh, well now I can get him, she says.
She's trying to laugh again.
Yeah.
That's my pegamento, Aria. Stop it. Yeah, stop pegamento.
She wants you to come close.
She wants to laugh with you and hug you.
That's my pegamentos.
Maybe you can put those down and give her a hug.
What?
Okay, you're gonna do it?
No.
I thought you
Will you
would.
give her a kiss?
Oh, that's
Aw.
nice. Maybe get closer to her so she can hug you. Oh,
Oh, she wants to hug you.
That's so sweet, Levi. She's hugging you. You were a happy girl.
I play music.
Do you like that, Aria?
I want you to get it.
Don't worry, honey. She's just looking at you.
Yeah, she wants me with my drinks.
She wants to laugh at your drinks.
Yeah. Yes, do it.